15 minutes, 1-5. That's all it's going to take for you to get your next period done. Let me show you. So apart from the explanation on every single aspect of your payroll, my team and I have created this template that you're looking at. Right now, I am on the monthly payroll calculator sheet, and as you can see, we have lots and lots of columns that depict different things that you would require to compute your payroll. So from all the various things that happen during a month, so for example, are you giving overtime, or are you giving leave to somebody, or are you giving loan to one of your staff? All of that has been taken into consideration for you. Every single calculator that you need has been calculated here. For example, breakdown of tax into the various graduated columns have also been shown here. Let me give you a quick sample of something that you would enjoy. For example, Jane Seller might actually be going on leave for 5 days. Let's put in the 5 and see what happens. Yay! We now know her leave allowance, and her net automatically changed when that happened. And there you have it. So would you like this template and also like to create your own payroll from scratch? Then sign up and enroll for our payroll course to learn the various acts, regulations that guide payroll computations, as well as how to compute your ITF, NSITF, and a host of others. So don't miss this opportunity as the price goes up later. So hurry now and pre-order.